guys, in this video I'll show you how I make my bulletproof coffee in the morning. So here are the ingredients: MCT oil, black coffee, butter, and sweetener. Okay, set this aside. And I'm getting my favorite food processor, Ninja. You can also use your NutriBullet or hand mixer. So I'm putting 1 cup of hot black coffee and 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. And then 1 teaspoon of MCT oil. And 1 sachet of Splenda.
Then blend them together for around 30 seconds.
Among Bulletproof Coffee's listed benefits are: it triggers weight loss by way of ketosis. This is a metabolic state triggered by lack of carbs that kicks fat burning into overdrive. It also prevents food cravings because it will make you feeling full for a couple of hours. Improves mood, increase energy, it improves strength, and boosts cognitive function. This coffee tastes delicious. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!